Take a chip, take a chip, take a chip, take a chip now. Hey, shake it, hip, shake it, hip, shake it, hip, shake it.
So today I'm in the labs. About to do some welding. Hey guys, it's YounQ'sPlayDot and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, today I have something in store. I'm giving you guys a brief sneak peek of my welding shop. You know, the one that I go to at school. Yeah, so we do all kind of stuff here. We do TIG, MIG, stick, you know, oxy, all kind of welding. And like this week, in this semester, we did a little root pass and stuff like that. So I'll get into that in like details and tell you more about it and just how my week went, you know. I hope you enjoy. Besides all the welding equipment, there's one machine that really helps us a lot when we practicing our pieces, and it's called the Beetle. So we usually set up like a production line to help things go smoothly. So instead of just cutting one piece and then somebody's cut the X piece, we just like lay them up side by side and just like do like 4 or 3 of them like in one go, you know. The machine is called a Beetle, and I'll be showing you right now. So this machine has like a oxy fuel torch on it, but this way you can set the angles if you want at a 30 or 40, you know, 60, at 90. I don't know why you would cut it at a 90 because they come with straight edges. Now my friend Smiley, he's about to tack up a piece, like set it up, and he's using a welding rod dash, a 32nd of an inch like wide, and that's the gap that we need to practice with our root passes on. Now right now my friend Smiley, he's about to tack up a piece, like set it up, and he's using a welding rod dash, a 32nd of an inch like wide, and that's the gap that we need to practice with our root passes on. So he's already, you know, prepped the material, you know, he's just tacking. I'm gonna get it from a better angle and put it in front of my welding mask so you could like see what it is without the whole flashing, you know.
Get out! Get out! Roll it up, man. I'm just really confident. Oh no. Oh no.
Uh-oh. I want to catch it when it falls.
It's because I'm not. You. Follow. I broke it. As everything falls. I fucking did it.
Somewhat.
And now I.
No, fuck the cart.
Oh.
The wall's breaking. The wall's breaking.
Make it a peace sign.
This wall keeps falling. Oh, this is actually really good though.
Just like split. That's what I'm doing.
I hear you, right?
It's like mad cold out here. If something happened to somebody. It's those 60-10 rods. They are problems. They're good to use in like all kind of situations. They're easy. You don't have to worry about temperature and stuff like that. They're easy to use, but they do not look pretty. If you use 60-10 rods, make sure you have a grinder, because they're gonna. It's like when you use 60-10s, it makes you feel like, wow, I have no skill. But you have the skill. Like my teacher, I don't know how he does it, but he makes this look like you're welding with a 70-18 or 70-14 rod, and I'm like, how do you do it? There's one other thing I do on the weekends. Like, I'm a part of that wave, the Fortnite wave. Nobody ever heard of that game? Yeah? No? Yeah, so me and my friends, we just play like with a whole bunch of forgettable things most times. But yeah, from Friday nights to Saturday mornings, we just play Fortnite. And I thought about like, hey, why not just stream it and let people watch me? I suck. That's cool. Everybody's out here being good. Everybody watching the best of the best. But like, why not see a guy who literally doesn't change from season 1 to season 7? I still suck. Like I've been able to kill 1 or 2 people in a match. That's it. That's like lucky shots, But I'm not gonna like just down myself like that. I'll let y'all be the judge of how good I play. But yeah, compared to the other guys who usually in my squad, if I'm playing duos or squad or whatever, they're better than me. Well, I can admit that. But yeah. Oh my god, I'm trash. Super trash. God.